Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick reminder on how to start a new module. So we're just about to begin module 2. I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. Essentially, we're just going to launch the Jupyter Notebook, navigate into module 2, and then open up the Notes notebook. We always open up the Notes notebook whenever a new module starts. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. As usual, we'll just launch our Jupyter Notebook in our terminal or in Anaconda Prompt if we're using Windows. Let's just do that. This will open up a new tab in our browser. So just go into Dunder Data Courses, go into Python Fundamentals, and now we're about to start Module 2. What is Python? So here are all the notebooks. The notes where all of our work is going to be done in the videos is right here. So just open up that, and that is where we are going to begin. Now, again, just a quick reminder, the formal material is in the notebook that has the same name as the module. This is very important to read through to get everything, because not everything is able to be included in the videos. And then you have the exercises or the project in this project notebook, and then the solutions for those exercises over here. All right, so open up the notes notebook and we'll get started right here.